Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Everyday. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from Romans 6 verses 3 to 4. Make we chat about today topic, what is baptism? The dictionary say baptism are when you whole of your body go underneath the water. It would come like when we are eat biscuit and tea. When you push the biscuit in the tea and the whole like go in the bottom of the tea and cover up. Similar to that. Make we hear what the Bible say about it.
You know, so when we did get baptized, we and Jesus turned one. And when we did get baptized, like we did dead, same like how him did dead. When we did get baptized, like we did dead and buried with Jesus Christ. We did dead and buried with him, so that same like how the Father used for him great power and make Christ Jesus come back alive. As same so him would have make we come back alive and give it one new life.
So the Bible explanation different from the dictionary, but are the same thing. Because when we go under the water, we get rid of the old personality there, and when we come up as a new person. Listen for we. Even Christ Jesus did get baptized, and his Father in heaven said him well pleased with what he do. When we get baptized, we get rid of the old personality there and become Jesus followers, the one them we do Jehovah's will. Think about this. Where is a text I teach me about God? How me can use it in my life?
Everything you make and give we, and the good things where you teach we, make we are full of joy.
How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text par, it make the devil turn far.
But what touch we are to move we, happy know much you love we, you alone can make we feel the humble joy we reach. Self can never be you, son, where come there.